Built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the Navion has always been a name synonymous with reliability, advanced engineering, and premium features, and in this 2026 model year, Winnebago has elevated the entire experience to a whole new level. From the moment you see it, the sleek exterior design with its aerodynamic profile and refined finishes makes it clear that this motorhome is built for the modern traveler. LED lighting accents, stylish paint options, and improved aerodynamics don't just enhance its appearance but also contribute to better fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for long adventures. Stepping inside, the first impression is pure luxury. The 2026 Navion offers a smartly designed interior where every inch of space is maximized to provide comfort without compromise. You're greeted with premium upholstery, soft-touch materials, and a sense of openness that feels much larger than its compact footprint suggests. The living area is carefully designed to offer flexible seating and lounging options, with a dinette that easily converts into an additional sleeping space and theater seating that invites you to relax after a long day on the road. The kitchen is another highlight, featuring modern appliances like a convection microwave, a 2-burner induction and LP range, and a large stainless steel sink, all paired with solid surface countertops that not only look beautiful but are durable enough to handle everyday cooking. The 2026 Navion is also designed with today's travelers in mind when it comes to technology and connectivity. It comes equipped with advanced infotainment systems, multiple USB charging ports, wireless charging pads, and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The coach also features upgraded Wi-Fi and antenna options so you can stay connected whether you're parked in a campground or off-grid in the wilderness. The bedroom area offers multiple configurations, with options like twin beds that can convert into a king, or a Murphy bed that allows you to enjoy more living space during the day while still having a comfortable sleeping arrangement at night. Storage is abundant, with cleverly hidden compartments and overhead cabinetry that ensure you have space for all your essentials. Another major improvement in the 2026 Navion is the bathroom layout. Winnebago has managed to include a spacious shower, stylish fixtures, and an overall design that feels more like a boutique hotel bathroom rather than something squeezed into a motorhome. It is a thoughtful touch that adds to the comfort of extended trips. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of the Navion remains its Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. With advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active braking, and a smooth diesel engine, you get the confidence of driving a motorhome that is as enjoyable on the road as it is when parked. Overall, the 2026 Winnebago Navion is designed for those who want to explore without limits but don't want to sacrifice comfort, technology, or style. It's compact enough to navigate different terrains and campgrounds, yet spacious enough to make every journey feel like home. Whether you're traveling as a couple, a small family, or a solo adventurer, this motorhome offers the perfect blend of practicality and luxury, making it a top choice in the Class C category for